to each and everyone. Ni hao, ba. How are all of you people? I hope everybody's doing fine, feeling great. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. I hope all of you are having a blast, enjoying life, because that's how life is, you man. We should enjoy each and every day, because every day is a gift, you know, because we'll never know until when it will be our last days. But let's not dwell into that. We are here because of our very favorite Zhou Shen, yay! Charlie Zen or Su Shen. What's the name again? Zhou Shen, right? So we are here for Charlie Shen or Zhou Shen, whatever applies to each and all of you. So guys, we are going to do one of your requests, and this is entitled Ring the Doorbell to Listen to Myself. That's such a long title, but we are all in for this one. I do believe this is on the Singer show. Correct me guys if I'm wrong, but it is kind of like in a certain show, right? But yes guys, before we even dive any further to this video, let me remind each and everybody, I know Zhou Shen may not have his official YouTube account, but we cannot stop there. We can also show our support by streaming his music in all streaming platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, all that stuff. Let's show up there, let's support the dude, and let's show how much we appreciate and you know, and adore him. And guys, yes, as usual, you all please maintain that positivity, spread kindness, spread love, and say no to negativity, because who needs that in this time and age, really, right? After all of the chaos that's been happening around us, guys, we have no more room for negativity, and let's just all instead spread love, spread positivity and happiness. And with that, you all, let's go ahead and dive into Ring the Doorbell. But yes, once again, let me make sure first that no, oh my gosh, how old is this? There's no captions, but I bet this is in English because the title itself says it in English. But nevertheless, we all know that music is universal. It doesn't need no language, because we just not hear music, we also feel them. Yes, so yeah, come on, let's go ahead and play this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a translation, nice. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, you guys, I've just been like, you know, saving all of your links that you've been sending me, and apparently this is just like more or less like a lyric video, because I thought there was, at first, this was going to be a performance, but nah, my bad, apologies about that. But yes, this is going to be a lyric video, but nonetheless, it's still going to be him, so yeah, who cares, right? Come on.
冬天来得很迟，你有我的地址，
It's kind of creepy.
信箱里有钥匙，没人知。你是我的眼泪，琴弦上的玫瑰，天亮时的排队，好词汇，我会自己按门铃。 自己听，自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。嘘，自己平静。
Oh
自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按本领，自己听，自己冒失了，自己凋零。自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。自己拼接。谁在门外醒来？谁在门外离开？好了，就写到这儿。想你现在在哪儿？你一定不安宁。我证
I'll grab like a verse or a sentence from the movie Forrest Gump. Like, you know, life is like a box of chocolate. You'll never know what you get until you actually get it, right? So Zhou Shen is so much so the same. You don't know what he'll do up on stage until you hear it. Man, he doesn't cease to amaze all of us. I was amazed, to say the least. That was magnificent. Oh my gosh. It was tormenting, but also sad, but also scary at the same time. Who evokes that kind of emotion all at once to any of you guys? This is the first time though. Zhou Shen, oh my golly. He proves himself again and again how wonderful he is as a performer, as a singer, as an artist, and he doesn't disappoint. He never disappoints. Wow. This is great. This was magnificent. I cannot wait to hear more. Guys, please do not stop in requesting whatever you want to me to react, whatever you want me to react to next. Any Zhou Shen performances, whatever that is, I'm all down for it. And guys, once again, do not forget to support the artist by streaming his video or music on streaming platforms like Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, all those kind of stuff. And guys, once again, thank you, Shishi, for dropping by, and I hope to see you guys next time. Ta-ta!